Ignore my dogs, please. Howdy, it's Mac. Welcome to my channel. So I decided that to launch my YouTube channel, what would I do first around Christmas time other than a what I got for Christmas video. So this is kind of a weird video to make to introduce myself to a YouTube channel, but I figured why not? Today is Christmas as of me recording this, so again, why not? So, my name is Mac, and I am a freshman at Arkansas State University. Go Red Wolves. I am a strategic communications student as of this upcoming semester, hopefully minoring in graphic design or marketing. I have worked several different social media jobs, as well as beginning to do social media work for my sorority, Zeta Alpha. And I'm finally launching my own YouTube channel. It is something that I have dreamt of for a long time, and 2024 is gonna be my YouTube era. So without further ado, let's get started into what I got for Christmas. So my mom got us these super cute little stockings from Kirkland's. Aren't these adorable? I love the very gossip girl tweed kind of vibe with these. Also, let me give the big girl preface that I'm not trying to brag or rub anything I purchased or received in anybody's face. Gifts are not the reason for the season. However, they're a fun little perk and fun aspect of the season. So with that being said, let's get into the stocking. First, I got these little sour straws. I love sour candy. I'm more of a salty and sour person, more so than a sweet chocolate kind of dense sugar person. I also got a little Zeta phone wallet. I'm hoping to get a new phone case because no tea, my Apple phone case, the quality is really not there. It's been chipping since the day I bought it, so I'm hopefully gonna get a new case and get to put this little cutie on there. Alright, so what's next? Oh, Nerds clusters, y'all. I love Nerds clusters. I love a nerd rope. If you know, you know. One of my favorite OG like movie snacks. I got these little Peace Out peach gummies. I actually haven't had these, so I hope they're good. Alright, I got a M&M Rice Krispie treat and an Andi's little snack bar. I also got some snow caps and a Starbucks card. So that is all for my stocking. Alright, next I'm going to show y'all what I got from my grandparents, Pops and Carolyn, if you know them. I'm going to show what they got me and what my friend Grace got me, and also some other little shout outs to things that my friends got me. So we are going to start off with the jewelry my grandparents got me. They got me these little hoops that are a turquoise and silver. I really love this little western kind of style to them. Super duper cutie. I got these two. I actually picked out all of this stuff by myself and then just got it on Christmas. The best way to shop, I think, honestly. So I also got a little hot pink cross necklace that I have on currently. It is from an Etsy shop, and I'll have them linked down in the description below. I got this pair of black distressed, I suppose this would be a wide leg style because they're not quite a bell bottom, but they aren't just a true straight or boyfriend jean. This came from a boutique in Marion, Arkansas called Smooth and Swankies. And I quite like them. I'd actually never bought anything from them before, and I've worn these pants several times since I got them already, so I'm a big fan of those. And I also got these bell bottoms, which came from a boutique in West Memphis. I forget the name, but I will find it and comment down below because they're the same boutique that sourced those earrings. And so these are just a pair of true blue bell bottoms that have these pearls all along the bottom. I mean, look at how fun those are. I think like with a pearl headband and some like stacked necklaces, I just think those will be so fun. And also I'm currently recording on one of my biggest gift from my grandparents, and that is my Sony ZV-1F vlog camera. I will insert a picture here as I am talking about the camera. I am so excited to have this, and it is what is propelling me to launch this YouTube channel for y'all beautiful people. I have wanted a vlog camera for ages, and I did a lot of research looking into various price range, design, the things that the cameras were made towards, and I'm very happy to begin playing around with this little guy because I also do a lot of real footage and video content for work in my sorority, and I think this is something that is a good investment for the type of content work that I do, which is primarily social media and potentially YouTube based content. So I'll be doing a whole separate video at some point of all the different little accessories I've gotten for it and how I'm organizing them and the accessories I want to buy in the future, and kind of just the little tips and tricks I'm picking up with this camera and some of the things that I'm maybe a fan of, maybe I'm not a fan of, kind of just a general camera based video about the ZV-1F. Because this is my first vlog camera and it is marketed kind of as something for beginners and as a simplified version of the ZV-1, I believe. So I will be making a video about that at some point, so stay tuned for that. So next I'm moving into what my best friend Grace bought me. For those of you who don't know her, or if you're just new to the channel, Grace is my childhood best friend. We met when we were like 5 years old in kindergarten, and somehow we've ended up going to college together. She can't get rid of me. So she got me these little strawberry toppers for my Stanley straw. She also printed out all these itty bitty pictures of us, which are super duper sweet. Those are us at Ski Lodge this semester. It was a fraternity register that we went to, and super duper fun night. I'm so glad that she gave me little pictures because she knows I'm a sentimental little hot mess. So Grace also gave me a super cute little drop pendant Zeta necklace. I'm not sure where she got this from. I'm gonna assume Etsy. Maybe. So I will go ahead and show y'all that. It is super duper cute and I love getting to wear my letters. So thank you, Grace, if you're watching this. I love you, Pookie. She's not gonna like that I put that on YouTube. So also honorable shout out that my sorority fam got me some really nice gifts that I just don't have here with me. They ended up being left in my dorm, or parts are left in my dorm, or parts are being... I don't have like the finished little baskets they gave me to show y'all, but my twin Hannah gave me a really sweet little stocking. If I have a picture, I'll pop it in here, with some different little sweet treats and things in there, and a body scrub that I love. And then my big Sarah, or our big, gave us each a little basket with hot cocoa and a little teddy bear. Again, I'll pop a picture in if I have it. Super duper cute, but I've already used most of the stuff in those gifts, so there's not much for me to show y'all now, but just a shout out to them because they were so cute. They were really cute little gifts. Now we're moving into the gifts from my other grandparents, so my mom's mom and her husband, and we're gonna take a look at all the different little cutie things that they gave me. Alright, so first they gave me this Barefoot Dreams cardigan. Look how precious. It's in this little charcoal gray color, and it's got this textured, like kind of layered effect on the back and on the bottoms of the sleeves. I think this will be super duper cozy for winter because it's finally starting to get cold in Arkansas, y'all. So I'm very excited to start wearing this. Next up, they got me this little trucker hat with a bow on it. It's embroidered on the front. I think it is super duper cute, and this is something that was on my wish list. College has turned me into a trucker hat fiend. I used to never like wearing ball caps or trucker hats or anything, and now I'm obsessed because I realized it means I don't have to do the top of my hair. Girl math tells me that buying hats is saving money because I use less dry shampoo because you can't see the top of my head. Next, I got this super cute little crew neck sweater from Etsy, and it is a baby pink color and has Swiftie embroidered across it. Obviously, I love Taylor Swift, so I love this. And when I was asking for these, I honestly kind of figured that it would be a cute little outfit moment to wear both together. So next, I got some of these little lint, peppermint, and chocolate truffles. These are so good. I know I said earlier that I don't really like just sweet candy, but these are an exception. All of these lint truffles I feel like are amazing. Next up is this little acrylic photo frame from the refinery here in Jonesboro. Well, not here in Jonesboro because I'm at home, but this is from a boutique in Jonesboro, and it's got that little glittery confetti that falls and moves throughout the frame. Next, I got a can of the Philosophy dry shampoo in this fresh cream scent. Alright, so next is a little set of Bluetooth lavalier microphones that are wireless from my iPhone. If you don't know me in my personal life, you may not know I'm a content creator on social media for Arkansas State University's admissions office. So I go out and do little tiny mic interviews and talk to different people on campus basically about like different things. I make reels, and it's really nice to have these because I have a corded tiny mic right now, and the quality is amazing. I love her. She's an incredible queen. But it's time for her to sashay away because now my guests can have their own little mics. This is a 2-pack, baby. I got a super cute little Zeta ring. Obviously I love my sorority. It is something I'm endlessly obnoxious about, and I don't care because Zeta is the most amazing place on the planet for me. I love being a Zeta. I could talk about Zeta literally all day. So I'm going to move into all of my gifts from my parents slash Santa. Santa didn't really specify what was his and what was my parents, so thank you for what you did, big man, and thank you to my parents. First is this sweatshirt that says I'd rather be sleeping. Very accurate, because I'm a grandma. I like to go to bed at like 10 o'clock. Next up is this little cropped puffer vest. I think this is super cute. This has really become a thing, at least in my hometown. In the winter, girls have been wearing the cropped puffer vest, so very excited to have one. I am on a no basis with purchasing a Lululemon jacket, I don't even know the name of it, for $120. I cannot fathom that. I cannot fathom asking somebody for that. I don't know why that is such a mental roadblock for me, because I've bought stuff that's way more expensive, but it's a mental block. So with that being said, I have found a dupe that I quite like. It is the Lululemon jacket that kind of looks like this, and I like this better because it's like 20 bucks on Amazon. So I asked my mom for the pink version of it. I love it. It's a very true like bubblegum pink in person. It's almost, I think my ring light is washing it out a little bit. It is a very bright bubblegummy pink in person. Also got me the light blue color. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm obsessed with the light blue. Okay, also from the Refinery in Jonesboro, I got this adorable cardigan. So it's got glittery textured boots and stars all over it and horseshoes. The inside is this gorgeous paint color. I'm so obsessed with this. It is very much the intersection of grandma core meets Dolly Parton cowgirl core and meets colorful, glitterful magic. And I really like to live in the intersection of those three things. A little Zeta Alpha coffee mug. I love this. I very much see myself waking up in my dorm in the morning, just having a cup of joe, having a little moment. And it reminds me of my beautiful sisters. For anybody else in PC23 watching this, I love you so much. Not one, not two, but 3 copies of Taylor Swift's Time magazine cover and feature. So I have all 3 covers. I love all of them. They're all incredible. I love all of these. I'm a big magazine girly. That's the kind of thing that I feel like takes people by surprise, is that I'm so invested in the digital world because here I am launching a YouTube channel. I work in social media. I'm getting a degree to become a social media content creator and manager, and I love these little magazines. I love them. Like, I don't know, I feel like there's something that you just can't capture digitally that you can capture by holding something in your hand. First is this little clear cosmetics type bag with different glitter confetti in it. Very colorful, very bright, very me. I have another Zeta frame that I'm very excited for, and I have no idea where this came from, so I'm gonna have to ask my mom where some of these gifts came from so I can link them in the bio for y'all. But anyways, it is this little clear frame that says Zeta Alpha in gold along the bottom, and I'm hoping that this will fit my bid card because I asked for a frame for my bid card, and yet here I am and I haven't measured it. I just know that I've been wanting to frame my bid card because it sits in this spot on my desk, so I'm hoping that this frame fits that. Let's see what I got from Kendra Scott for Christmas. So I'm not going to open them all on camera. I'm just going to insert some pictures of the different things that I got. So first and foremost, I got some different little studs because I've been talking to my mom about how I want to get another piercing of some kind done in my ear. So she got me some of the little solitaire studs. I will insert pictures of which ones she got me. I have. And she also got me the Andi band ring, which I have on my pointer finger. This is a ring that I have wanted for ages. I just thought it would be such a good little staple piece to go with all my other rings. I don't have quite as many on right now as I normally do, but I like how it looks with them. I liked that it had a little something going on. It wasn't another plain band, but that it was simple and kind of timeless, so very excited for that. I have some of these little pink Kendra Scott storage boxes. When I saw these on the Kendra Scott Collectors Facebook group right before they came out, I was so excited because I thought I could just purchase however many I wanted to. No, you have to have a certain order minimum to get these. So I was super sad and bummed out, so I'm so super excited that I have them now. So I have this large pink box, and it comes with 2 little separators on the inside. And I also have the small box, which doesn't have really any compartments. You can just put whatever size of anything in there. Again, I really just wanted these because, well, A, they're from my favorite brand, and B, I really wanted some nice little comfy homes for some of my nicer pieces that I wouldn't necessarily just leave out on my normal jewelry rack. Pieces that I want to be a little bit more stored away and protected, so I'm super excited for these. And that concludes my 2023 Christmas haul. My name is Mac, and if you liked today's video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I post. As I'm getting in the swing of how I like to edit, how I like to film, what kind of content I'm going to produce for y'all, I do not currently have an upload schedule yet, but as soon as I do, check out the description and find out when I upload. That way you can put it on your calendar, set a notification on your phone, because I would want to watch my videos. This time, I love you more and have a great day. Bye!